Hello children, today we will study subtraction of money. Okay, as our chapter is going on money, so today we will learn how to subtract a money. So first of all, here the one question is given, subtract the following. We have to subtract rupees 795 and 240. So what we will do, we just arrange the greater number first, and below to this we will arrange a smaller number, same as a ordinary subtraction. We will do this also. Suppose you are having rupees 795 as it is given here. So I have written rupees 795. Okay, and if you spend 240 rupees on something, so how much money you left with you? So what you do, you just subtract it. So as you can see, I just arrange the number ones below to ones, tens below to tens, and hundred below to hundreds. Okay, now subtraction. So 5 minus 0 gives us 5. 9 minus 4, when we subtract 4 from 9, we will get 5. And again 7 minus 2 gives us 5. So the answer of this subtraction is 555. This is very easy question. Okay, now I'm taking one more example. Here we have to subtract rupees as well as paise also. So what we will do, same as addition, we just make two columns, one for rupees and one for paise. Now we will arrange rupees and paise in these two columns. So you can see I have written 765 rupees and 75 paise, and below to this 432 rupees and 80 paise. This decimal is very important. Now I just put the sign of subtraction over here. Now I just subtract 5 minus 0 gives us 5. Now it is impossible to subtract 8 from 7. So what we do, we just borrow 1 from this 5. So this will become 4 and this will become 17. Now 17 minus 8 gives us 9. So I have just written 9 over here. Now when I put decimal sign over here, what we will do in the next step, we subtract 4 from 2 from 4. So this will gives us 2. Now 6 minus 3 gives us 3. Now 7 minus 4 gives us 3. So the result for this subtraction is rupees 332 rupees and 95 paise. So this is our answer. Now we just take one number story for subtraction of money. Suppose here given one question, Ramesh had rupees 500 with him. यानी रमेश नाम का कोई लड़का है जिसके पास मनी है how much 500. ओके, he bought a bet, उसने एक bet खरीदा है for rupees 250. ओके, फ्रॉम 500 रुपीज़ ही जस्ट बॉट अ बेट, उसने 500 रुपये में से 250 या 250 रुपीज़ में एक बेट खरीद लिया. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मच मनी इज़ लेफ्ट विद रमेश, यानी अभी बेट खरीदने के बाद रमेश के पास कितने पैसे बचे. सो वी जस्ट अरेंज द स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन. Money Ramesh had is equals to rupees 500 as shown here. He bought a bat for rupees 250. Now what we will do, we have to find the money left with him. So whenever we have to find this, we just subtract the numbers. Now here you can see 0 minus 0 gives us 0. Now it's impossible to subtract 5 from 0, so we take one borrow over here. So this will become 10 and this will become 4. Now 10 minus 5 gives us 5 and 4 minus 2 gives us 2. So now the money which left with Ramesh is rupees 250. This is our answer. Okay, same as you can solve the worksheet of chapter 5 and you can solve the subtraction question in exercise 5.3. Still you are having any doubt, you will ask me on a Google Meet. Thank you and have a nice day.